Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to check a Spotify Wrapped. So in order to do this, first of all, navigate to your Spotify application or log into Spotify on website. After logging into your Spotify, you will see the Spotify's dashboard. Here, you will see the Wrapped icon just at the top to the right of All button. So when you click on Wrapped, it will show up the Wrapped page. Now you'll have your Wrapped available just right here for this year. You can click on your Wrapped and it will bring up your Spotify Wrapped. As you can see, I'm easily able to check my Spotify Wrapped by clicking on the Wrapped button. Now another way to do this is click on the search icon at the bottom of the screen, then click on the search bar and type in Wrapped 2024. Now it will show up your top songs in 2024 Wrapped. You can click on it and your top songs in 2024, that is your Spotify Wrapped, will open up. Now you can see the whole list by doing this. Now, for any reasons, if you're not seeing the Wrapped icon available here, what you can do is simply navigate to Play Store, click on the search icon, search for Spotify, open the Spotify applications link, then click on uninstall. Then click on uninstall again, and this will install and remove Spotify from your mobile phone. Now, after that, click on the install button that will be available just right here. After you click on install, Spotify will install the latest version and that will bring up that Wrapped icon just right here. Now, what you can also do is simply navigate to Play Store and just update Spotify if you are able to see the update icon. And that will bring up Wrapped if the button was not available. So simply navigate to this page and click on the Wrapped icon and this will instantly bring up your Spotify Wrapped. So that is the simple way to check Spotify Wrapped. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and thanks for watching.